Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by Trio Outreach Programs at the University of California in San Diego. My name is Diana Hernandez Hernandez, and here we continue the series of campus involvement videos. Today we will discuss mentorship opportunities within student organizations. We will learn about the pre-professional organizations available at UCSD that are career-focused. I hope after watching this video, you will be encouraged to do your own research and continue to explore. Some questions we aim to answer are, what does mentorship look like? What services or opportunities do these organizations offer? And why should I join a pre-professional organization? So let's begin with some definitions. A mentor is someone who is older or more experienced in the field and has been in college for a year or more that can offer advice and assist a mentee. A mentee is someone seeking advice and guidance from a mentor to achieve their goals. And sometimes mentees can have multiple mentors, or a mentor can have multiple mentees. And this builds a mentorship relationship. Now, to answer why join a pre-professional organization, some of the benefits are that they offer more career-based assistance. They are often national, so these organizations can be found at multiple campuses, and they hold annual conferences, so they can meet other students from different states, and this allows you to build your network, because sometimes they can also bring industry representatives and graduate school representatives. Also, they can offer scholarships for being involved. So let's visit the Center for Student Involvement page. And if you have forgotten how to, please visit our previous video on how to navigate the web page. So we go here. And we can use this search function and just look for mentor. And we can look at healthcare mentorship programs. So here we can read their purpose statement. It's a little lengthy, and just for abbreviation purposes, DDS means Doctor of Dentist Surgery. So having understood what the mentor and mentee relationship looks like, we can read the statement and we can see that it lets us know that this club encourages students to socialize as well as succeed academically. You can imagine being part of this organization and community allows you to find other students to have a similar major, interest, and can help you form study groups, or you can at least see them in your classes. This also tells us that they have a search committee that helps students learn more about career paths and advises students on applying to a professional school, which can include pharmacy school or dentistry school. You may have noticed that only 2 options showed up when we looked for mentor in the search bar, but that is why we can go to pre-professional and filter for those organizations to pop up. Having discussed some of the benefits of why join a pre-professional organization, you can now see why we have American Medical Women's Association Pre-Medical Chapter at UCSD, the Biomedical Engineering Society, which also has an annual conference, Construction Management Association of America at UCSD. We have Engineers Without Borders, and not all of these are on the national level, but for example, there's International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineers, National Society of Black Engineers. We can look more into that one. And we can see the purpose statement seeds that they help Black engineers excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. So this can hint at them having professional related workshops or events And once again, how to be involved. This is their email. You can contact them, sign up for the newsletter, or reach out to one of their principal members here to hear about their experience, or also look at their constitution. In another video, we will have how to deep dive and learn more about an organization if you do not feel comfortable yet reaching out to actual students. We can check out Pre-Law Society. This organization provides a resource for students who are interested in pursuing a legal career, and they work together with faculty, outside organizations, and legal professionals to provide valuable workshops and events. So being part of this organization, you would definitely be able to expand your network, find out people who care about similar things as you, and begin to prepare for law school. You can develop those skills, make valuable connections, and learn more about experience or internship opportunities or other ways you can continue to bulk up on your experience in your resume. And just be part of a community of people who are also pre-law. Once again, they have their email right here and some principal member contacts. And we can look at women in business. Another pre-professional organization. Here, the members become leaders through education, networking, mentorship, leadership development workshops, and social events. You become part of this community and where you grow and definitely just have a better college experience, knowing that you have a support system as well. So that is the brief intro on how to look for pre-professional organizations that are more tailored to your career, interest, and your major possibly. In another video, we will discuss how to deep dive and stay connected with these. But that is it for mentorship. Thank you.